Sanibonani, igama lami uTato Masiya and this is Pop City TV. Siphethe ishow entsha ebizwa nge-Make Me Famous. Yes, siphethe intwana encane la ifuna siyenze famous. Athi sibone ukuthi ifuna siyenze famous ngani. Asambe. Oh yes, sesifikile lana ePhola la intwana le ethi jimela khona. Mangathi uyabheka thola abantu abajimayo lana. Over but bona bajimela khona laphaya khona laphaya yebo sobonile ukuthi bajima kanjani abafana lana siphethe ucoach ukudala adlalisa ibhola dala ngijimisa coach Damlaba njani Damlaba
khona Kuthathwa my son.
Yes Damlaba ucoshiya ucela nini ukujimisa ibhola
Ibhola ngiqale back in 2013
yeah
after World Cup I realized ukuthi kumele ngivuse abantwana abancane abadlale ibhola yayicela 2013
and then uthando lwebhola ucala nini
ngithanda lebhola dala from since at the age of 10 years nami ngisadlala but ngala lokho ukuthi ngaba nama injuries so ngabona ukuthi ngcono ngivuse iklub ngoba abantwana ukuthi bangenzi izinto wrong ukuthi ngibavule iklub abantwana bazoba hamba endleleni right ibhedayo.
Okay kushuthi Damlaba una 16 years udlalisa abafana ibhola
na 16 years ya kunjalo na 16 years ngidlalisa abafana ibhola but kwamanje kusasenzima because ne sponsorship angasitholi kusasenzima but what I like into engiyenza ukuthi ngiyakhona ukuproduce abafana ukuthi bagood like example one of them uJabu Masimo uyo waya ku Super Sport bekajima la kimi under 13 waya ku Super Sport first team one umpho umumu manje is a police nayo wadlala esquadini wadlala uKaizer Chiefs yeah I got many players ukuthi bagood producer abophira abotukulo ukuthi ama player good unfortunately abafana ukuthi manje bahamba bangiyeka bayahamba because of sponsorship enganazo iyo into libele difficult for la eklabini lethu.
Okay Damlaba before sikhuluma ngale play esize ngalo uSizwe yeah Damlaba sponsorship sibaluleke kangakanani kuwe like why you think sponsorship because nami ngiyakhumbula ngijima la kuwe inkinga bokuyimali njalo okubhola maka ibhola besile enjoy manje sicela abantu ukuthi why you think sponsorship
yeah sponsorship is very important because number one I don't have angisebenzi ngiselokishini number 2 siyafuneka ukuthi sibe khona lamabhola like sibe khona lama soccer kits kube khona ne transport ukuthi masamba sitravel mhlawumbe sodlala away remember if simlaba yiteam ukuthi idlala ku league Benoni Football Association dlala ku league sidlala ama game but nakhona siyafuna ukuthi sithole transport ukuthi masodlala away ku league sikhona ukugibela i-transport sponsorship very important into eziningi ziyafuneka nabafana mabazobona isport labo bazokhona ukujabula nje.
Okay so abantu if bafuna ukukusponsor Damlaba bazokuthola kanjani bazokuthola ngophi
no abantu mabafuna ukusponsora they gonna get me phakathi neviki la training starting from 3:30 until 5:30 or bangakhona ukungifonela.
Okay la sikhona Damlaba ngabatshela ukuthi sikuphi
ya la sikhona sisephola Park eBacks emaphupheni eThwathwa la sijimela khona kula ngiproduce khona ama player amaningi la ngikhona phela.
Okay so people if ufuna ukusponsor uDamlaba coach igama lakho
Jabu
yeah coach Jabu ungakhona ukumsupporta njengoba shilo ukuthi ungamsupporta kanjani so Damlaba kusitshele ke ngosizwe usizwe umfana unjani yeah masitshele ngosizwe
wale talent usizo kumthole ana 7 years usizo kumthole angakwazi ukudlala but ngikubekezela ukuza eklabhini ngasizwe kumncedile lokho, but is a talented player ukuthi manje so usho ukuthi isizwa ngithola i-development akhona ukudevelopha more ngidevelopile mina but need more development like abo Kaizer Chiefs, abo School of Excellence, abo Pirates, abo Sundowns. I also wish ukuthi angakhona ukuya laphana ayogena more experience ngoba umfana one-talent, umfana okude, not only uSizwe kodwa only uSiya one of the defenders siphethe experienced player i-captain yaseklabhini nayo need more development ukuthi bathole ama-development but the more bathola ama-development kuzoba abafana aba-right. So one of the best future emaphupheni ethu uSizwe is a best player, experienced player, but is young, but he need a proper guidance, he need a proper development azoba right, but is one of the future yela emaphupheni.
Okay.
Is young, still have got age kuye una 10 years, but umfana usase-right yena unida more guidance, unida more development, but now development from 7 years to 10 years. But so we should angathola i-development, angathola i-team, got a structured team like abo Sundowns, abo School of Excellence, abo Kaizer Chiefs bezokhona ukumdevelopa, abo Farouk Khan, Stars of Africa. But I know ukuthi like sesithila sasenami so try ukuthi simtholele leyo development leyo ukuthi abe right. Also naye uSiya one of the captain yethu, umfana omncane usasena 10 years naye, but is one of the best players esinayo, experienced player.
Okay. Sophinde sikhulume ngoSiya ne Damlaba. Athi usinike permission ukuthi sikhulume noSizwe.
Siyakunankinga.
All right. Asameni ke sokhuluma noSizwe. Yebo sesimtholile uSizwe aka Raythoma Ray. Rayfetha. Sizwe usibizile la ku Make Me Famous ne. Usibizile intwana yami.
Ukungenza ngibe famous ngidlala ibhola ama-scout angibona.
Yeah, ama-scouts akubona ne. Okay ntwana yami. Sicela usitshele about wena, umuntu onjani, ukhulephi, igama lakho nesibongo masiphelele ubani?
Mina ngikhulele ngapha ema-80 ngase-Temparasi, igama lami uSizwe, isibongo sami uShabalala.
Yeah.
Ngiqale ibhola 2024 ngidlalela uDamlaba.
Okay, unangakhi ntwana yami?
This year ngina-11.
Yeah. Uyenza 11 or una-11?
Ngina-11.
Okay. Okay ntwana yami. Ukubuza uDamlaba umuntu onjani? Ucoach onjani nje?
Umuntu osikhulumelayo ukuthi ibhola linjani, sidlale kanjani. Ngiyabonga ukuba no-coach nje.
Okay. Uthi uDamlaba ucela ukumjimela 2024. Ukhona umuntu okhe wamjimela?
Cha.
Akekho. So wena sorry, since udlala kaMlaba uzizwa kanjani?
Ngizifila ngiyini.
Yeah, uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola?
Mebasho.
Mabasho. Wena ucabanga?
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyalazi.
Ucabanga ukuthi uyalazi. Okay ntwana yami. Ukhona ama-player owathandayo, ama-team owathandayo?
Ngithanda uMessi. I-team engiyithandayo iBarcelona.
Okay. Ngokubona kwakho yini into ebalulekile ngebhola? Ibhola likufundiseni?
Mina ibhola lingifundiseni. Ngifundisa inhlonipho. Kuningi.
Yeah.
Ithini wena?
Into ozithandayo ngebhola?
Yonke into.
Yonke into. Udlala i-position?
Left wing.
Left wing. Okay. Unamagoli ayingaki la kaMlaba? Masingasabuza.
Akazi. Ngiyi-18 lapho.
Yeah.
2018 angazi.
Yeah. Okay. Uno-captain onjani wena?
Okahle. Makahle uyasitshela ukuthi senzeni, silalele bese ngama-question.
Yeah. Okay. Sicela ukubiza i-captain la unendaba.
Yeah?
Singayibiza i-captain? Okay, sicela usibizele yona ntwana. Ngitholile, siyabonga. Siyabonga kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila nami. Uyi-captain Raythoma Rayfetha? Yeah, ungasitshela ngawe kahle kwamanje?
Nganitshela.
Okay. Igama lakho ubani, unangakhi?
Mina igama lami Siyabonga, isibongo sami Sibande. Ngina 10, ngenza 11.
Okay, ucale nini ukudlalela uDamlaba?
Ngiqale ngina 7.
Yeah. And then uRaythoma Rayfetha umthole khona la?
Ngimthole khona la.
Yeah, and umfana onjani?
umfana o-right odlalela ibhola.
Ngozela ibhola. Uqinisele makathi unamagoli a-18.
Uqinisile. Angazi kahle ngoba ngimthola lana.
Oh, okay. Wena udlala i-position ntwana yami.
Ngidlala 4 and 5 emuva.
Yeah. Buwazi ukuthi usibizile uSizwe ukuthi sizo-interviewa la as i-Make Me Famous. Ungathanda ukuthi uSizwe adlale ama-team anjani abe njani naye makakhulu?
Ngathanda ukuthi adlale iBarcelona abe player elikahle elinsimbi.
Yeah, wena uyazithemba?
Mina ngiyasithemba.
Wena ungahalela ukudlalela i-team?
Ngathanda ukudlala i-Real Madrid.
Yeah, nibe ama-enemy. Nibe ama-rival, ni-challengeana.
Barcelona.
Sengisho ukuthi ni-challengeana wena noSizwe.
Challengeana.
Angithi wena ufuna adlalela iBarcelona. Bese wena udlalela i-Real Madrid. Bese na-challengeana niyi-two. Laziye niwinga wena uyini?
Mina ngi-4 and 5 emuva.
4 and 5 emuva. So uyi-centre back. Yeah, uya-defend. So ungamshaya ngebhathi?
Hayi. Zomakha 100.
100 ne. Alright, ntwana yami siyabonga ne. Sicela ukuthi nisijimele la nisikhombiseni ukuthi udlala kanjani ibhola wena noSizwe ne. Alright, sharp ntwana yami.
Yeah.
Oh yes, sesiyiqeda i-Make Me Famous. Sisiza ukuthi abafana bacanga ukuthi bazobabona na. Siyabonga, ngicabanga bazokubona ntwana yami.
Bangibona.
Bazokuthanda. Into abangayithanda abazoyithanda ngakho.
Ukumakha kwami. Respect.
Okay, angiyabuza ntwana yami. Umfana usibizile lana, Rayithoma, Rayfetsa. Ngicabanga ntwana yami, ama-scouts azokuthanda.
Ngicabanga. Angithanda.
Why? Ngicabanga why azokuthanda? Ukuthanda la.
Respect.
Kuningi. Sibongile kakhulu Tshitani laba. Sitshela ukuthi siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi asivumile ukuthi si-interview lana. Ane boys, amani ngahamba siyabonga. Phela kanjalo i-Make Me Famous guys. If ukhona umthandile uSizwe, uthandile the way asiphatha ngakhona and ubona ukuthi angatholakala kuma-scouts, atholakala laphayana ku-Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates. Shareleni le video guys. Share this video abonwe, athathwe abe umfana owethu ophuma emaphupheni njengoba uJunior Khanya ngithi. Yeah. So manje sicela ukuthi ni like ni subscribe kule channel lena entsha yethu iPoop City TV and Radio. Okay? Yeah, this is Kuthathu Masiya aka Shaba Kuti Suti and I am out.